Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear learners. Today's topic is the use of am is are. Especially today we will learn how you can use this verb am is are for making questions, especially yes no questions. Let's get started. You see here I have written some positive phrases. Positive sentences, as you know, that after subject is subject is here he, and is verb. But when we would like to make question, then at first we will use subject at first. Verb at first. The verb is here is, so we will write down is here. And then we will write down he. So is he. After writing any question, we have to use question mark. Now she is. Is she? Is she? It is. Is it? Is it? Let's see the next slide. I am. You know, after I in present sense, we always use am. I am. So here, I is a subject and am is a verb. So when we will make question, am will be at first, am, and then I. Am I? Now, we are, you are, they are. After we have to use our. After you, we have to use our. After they, we have to use our. We are, you are, they are. And for making questions, at first are, we, are, we. Then are you, and then are they. Now make questions with these words. How you can make questions with these words? The first here it is written is, then at home and your mother. It's not the correct positions, right? So what you have to write down is, the verb is, so we have to use is at first, and then is subject. What is the subject? Your mother. Your mother. Is your mother, right? Then the left portion. So is your mother at home? At home. Is your mother at home? And then question mark. Is your mother at home? Here you see, make questions with these words. Interesting is your job. What will be the answer? Is your job. So is at first verb, then subject your job, and then interesting. Is your job interesting? Then question mark. Next sentence, your parents are well. Your parents are well. What will be the question? Are. The subject is are. Then your. Are is a verb. Are your parents well? Are your parents well? then question mark. So at first we have used verb are, then subject your parents. Well, next see the next one. Is near here the station? So what will be the answer? Is, then the subject is the station, is the station, then near here, near here. So is the station near here? Let's see the next one. Interested in a sport you are. So what will be the answer? Are. At first are. Then the subject is you. Are you interested in sport? Interested in sport. Are you interested in sport? It will not be then. Okay. Are you interested in sport? So now, dear learners, write short answers. I will show you the question using Amizer, and you have to say your right yes or no. Let's see. First question is, are you married? The answer can be yes or no. How can you say it? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Let's see the next one. Is your friend Bangladeshi? The answer can be yes, he is, or no, he is not, or no, he is not. Is it cold today? Is it cold today? The answer can be yes, it's. No, it's not. This is very informal question. That's my seat. There is no question mark here. So that means, is that my seat? The answer can be yes, it is, or no, it is not. The answer is here, no, it is not. So thank you very much, dear learners. Thank you for watching. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share, and comment on my video. And if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.